Hi dear Gemini, how are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading till mid of April, and I'll tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what will be the outcome. Okay. So right now your partner's energy Gemini is the Lover's card. It's the card of Gemini only. So I think your partner could be a Gemini, another Gemini maybe. Okay, so your partner is right now very attracted to you. They are feeling like they are stuck on you maybe, or the Cupid's arrow hit on them, or they are feeling like they have to take a decision between you or somebody. It could be a third party situation as well, because I see the devil card associated with the Lover's card. So this is a heavily third party situation. This is a heavy third party situation, but stay tuned till the last. But we will see what will come out. So right now your partner is very attracted to you. They are in love with you. They are on the verge of taking a decision towards you. But I don't feel like right now they are taking any kind of decision like a commitment or a loving relationship. How they see you? The devil. They themselves is feeling the lovers. They themselves in his loving mode, very physically attracted to you, very into you. They are thinking about you a lot, and they see you as a devil. The devil energy is telling me that they see you that you are some kind of addiction to them, or you are kind of obsession to them, or maybe they are very obsessed with you, or maybe they are very addicted to you. Or another situation also is telling me that there could be a third party situation as well in this relationship, that you know better, Gemini. Okay, so your person right now feels very addicted and obsessed with you. Okay, what they feel about this relationship. This is the Five of Pentacles energy. So I feel like your person is feeling like that you left them in the cold, maybe in the past or in the recent past. So your person is feeling left out in the cold, and they are feeling like you didn't do justice to this relationship or to this person, or you are just walking away from them. So basically your person can feel the detachment from your side, Gemini. You are detaching from this person maybe for the good reason, but right now your person is not feeling good about this particular thing, that you are walking away from them. Okay, what they want from this relationship, the Knight of Wands, lots of physical intimacy. They want, to be very honest, Gemini, right now your person is very physically attracted to you, very obsessed with you, very are addicted to you, and all they want right now is sex maybe. It's physical intimacy, lots of kisses, lots of cuddling, lots of sex, lots of passionate energy, lots of intimacy. So basically your partner right now is not in the commitment zone, not in this loving zone. Right now they are obsessed, they are addicted, and all they want is sex from you, to be very honest. Okay, the outcome from their side is the Two of Swords. They are on the crossroads. They are feeling like they don't know which side to go, whether to leave you or whether to stay with you, whether to release your thoughts, or whether to stay connected with you. Because I feel like, Gemini, this person is highly obsessed with you, highly physically attracted to you, and they don't know what should they do with this energy. Okay, although they are attracted to you, although they are feeling all these kinds of vibes from you, they are not able to make a solid decision. This is the outcome till the mid of the April. So I clarified the outcome, and it is clarified by the Temperance, Knight of Swords, and Four of Wands. Why they are on the crossroads? Because they want to balance out. They want to balance their emotions for you. They want to rush into a relationship with you, but they are trying to balance out things. They want a stability with you. Okay, but they are right now cutting off, or they are right now on the crossroads, or you can say closed off about commitment of relationship, because they feel like this is not the right time to act on the situation. They are trying to balance out their emotions. They are they are not rushing into anything, and they are trying to build a stable or solid relationship out of this connection. So that is why right now they are taking a back off, they are taking a back seat, and they are right now on the mode of not showing much to you. Okay, and I can see Leo as well in your chart, Leo as well in your reading. I feel if you are associated with some Leos, or Capricorn as well, Gemini, you better know. See, these are general readings, and the signs, that the zodiac signs I'm telling you in between are also general. It is not like that only these signs are connected to you in any way. Okay, so your energy is right now Six of Pentacles. Gemini, you are on the in the energy of equal give and take. If you are giving something to them, you are expecting to take that thing from them as well. Okay, so you are ready for equal give and take, ready to put in the effort equally from both the parties, and you're expecting them to do the same for you right now. How you see your person? Eight of Swords. You see your person is some kind of mysterious or mental in conflict. I told you this person is very very attracted to you, addicted to you, obsessed with you, but they are in conflict mode, and you also see them. You can feel them doing that, Gemini. You can feel that this person is not acting that the way they should act, okay, or reacting the way they should. That is what is happening. What you feel about this relationship is the Sun. This relationship gives you complete happiness. This relationship makes you, or this particular person makes you very very happy, Gemini, to be very honest. And whenever you are with them, it makes you feel like, yes, wow, this is what I need in my life. This childlike energy, this beautiful energy, this contentment, this happiness. Maybe you didn't got this kind of happiness from a very long time. That is why you are finding your happiness in this particular relationship or person. What you want from this relationship? You are feeling like a child in this relationship, or you feel like your partner is kind of child, and you're feeling like, yes, this is the happiness that I am waiting for in my life. What do you want from this relationship is the this is the Seven of Cups energy. I think either you have many options in your life, or you are involved with more than one person at time, or there is lots of confusion going on around this person, around this particular person, and you are not able to understand the true intention, to understand the true nature of your own emotions. You are not able to understand what is happening with you. You are not able to understand whether you should keep this relationship with this person or not. This is what is happening. The outcome from your side is the eight of the outcome from your side is the Strength. This is Leo energy. I feel like you might be connected to a Leo as well, I think. So you are also holding back. For the time being, you are also holding back, Gemini. You are also not revealing the truth. You are also not telling them your true intentions, your true emotions. You are also like, okay, I will see what will happen in the future. But right now, this is not the right time to say anything, or to say I love you, or to say anything like a commitment thing or a proposal thing. You both are holding. You both are, taking a backseat about commitment and proposals. And might be you both are not able to, understand which way to go, and you both are taking a step back and holding back a lot of things. So your card, the Strength card, is clarified by the King of Swords, Death, and Wheel of Fortune, right? King of Swords is telling you are acting very very practical, Gemini. You are taking it really slow, and you are cutting out all the negativity, all this bullshit, and you are very very practical. You are being very very clear about. You are trying to being very very be very very practical and clear about this particular relationship. There's Death card also. So this is telling me that you are going through a major 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 transformation in your life, Gemini, and that is why you are holding back. That is why you are not taking any kind of decision. And the Wheel of Fortune, the Wheel of Fortune is telling me that things are turning in your favor. Things are taking another shape, another form that you always envisioned for yourself, maybe. So I feel like, Gemini, you thought that things will turn out like this, but they were completely opposite to what you thought. And you are going through a very very transformative phase in your life right now. Maybe you are trying to come out of a very very difficult phase or difficult situation. That is why you are holding back from committing or saying I love you, or be in a solid relationship with somebody. Okay. So I feel like both the parties are holding back for the time being, Gemini, till the mid of April, and I don't see any kind of offer coming in, rather than physical intimacy and lots of sex and lots of kisses and all that. Okay, so your person maybe felt like you left them in the cold, you walked away from them, but they are obsessed with you. They are highly obsessed with you. They are addicted to you, and I feel like they're very, 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 very physically attracted to you rather than loving energy, I can say. And from your side as well, I don't see any kind of loving energy right now. These are the energies, and it could change in the future. Okay, so keep that in mind. It's not like the story will not resonate with all of you, obviously, but if it is resonating with any one of you, this is what it is going to be. Okay, so because this is a general reading, I can't say that it is going to resonate with you, like you or not. Okay, but if it is, so the outcome is going to be the same. Okay, the advice you can say is coming out for you is healthy choices, making healthy choices in love and life. self love, self care, being happier. That is what you are doing, Gemini. That is what I'm telling you. You are holding back, you are confused, and that is what you have to do. Okay, you have to make healthy choices in your life. Universe, please show me two more cards. I like you. Okay, somebody likes. I feel like there's equal mutual liking from both the parties. I can see that. But from your partner's side, it is kind of addiction and obsession, I'm telling you. And they are very, very physically attracted to you for right now. So someone likes you, romance is blooming, fun, flirting, want to date. And the last card is healing heart, healing from heartbreak, freedom from toxic relationship or addiction. So I feel like maybe you or your person is coming out of a very, very toxic relationship right now, and that is why you guys are right now in this healing mode as well. Okay. So this is all about your love life till the mid of April, Gemini. I hope you like it, and I hope it will give you some insight about your relationship with your partner. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste, and do subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below how it resonates with you. Thank you so much. Namaste.